Beau, Billionaire.
Yeah. Yeah. Look, I just want to talk. Look, I know we living that life in a fast lane. Gas to the floor, now it's time to slow it down and appreciate it. I ain't trying to crash things. You the reason why I changed on my past ways. I'd much rather you share my last name, cause you was there when I was broke, so you know what's up for show. That you got whatever now that the cash came. Lil Gucci, Lil Prada over that frame. Just to take it off, cause the fact remains that you sexy as fuck, and I wanna eat it up every time you go to strut past my way. So go ahead and put it on my face and look down at a nigga while I taste them pretty insides in between your thighs till your kitty cat rain down on me.
I'm trying to show you better days. You deserve a wedding ring. I just wanna make it rain on you and shower you with gifts you never had. You deserve better things. You deserve a wedding ring. I'm trying to make it rain on you, shower you with nothing but the finest, cause you deserve it all. Oh, you deserve it all. You got my back and I thank you for it. You remind me of my mama, strong, black and beautiful. Girl, you know I want you more than I ever did. So if I can make it rain on you with gifts, not just money but my heart and everything, I will give you my all. You can have everything. Girl, you're the